In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a hierarchy chart on Canva. To save time and everything, Canva already has prepared or pre-made templates carrying designs of hierarchy charts. So all you need to do on your Canva homepage is to simply come to the search bar and type in hierarchy charts. And a whole lot of options of templates. Already made templates, beautiful templates would be made available for you. So all you need to do from the options is to pick the one that sort of suits. Do you want to use pictures to depict your hierarchy chart? Or do you want to use more of like a pyramid like this? Or do you want to use just shapes and lines? But for me, I think let's assume that for the sake of this design, I'd like to use pictures. So I'll pick either out of these. There are a lot of designs, lots of templates available. So let's just select this one. So once you select a desired template that is close to what you want to achieve, you can simply click on customize these templates. If you're using a Canva Pro, it makes it a lot much easier for you, and you can change the text. Let's say the name of my company is Beehive Homes. Organizational charts, obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the pictures of the people that are here, because it makes like the job a lot easier. So I'm just going to go to my uploads. Let's just try out a sample here so that you can understand what I am talking about. So, or you know what, let's just use a random picture so that we can understand that changing them is actually a lot easier as long as you're using Canva Pro. So let's just assume, just pick any picture and just put, but definitely when you want to put in your own custom made, it's advisable use the pictures of the people you want to use. So this is a frame, obviously. So I'm just going to drop this here, and you see that that changes. I can go ahead and change the name, change the font if I'm not satisfied with it. I can change all fonts at the same time. Simply click on this, and once you've selected that, it will change. I can go ahead and change others. I'll just click on change all, and all the fonts will be changed automatically. So I will just go ahead and customize this. I can even change the background if I wish. If I'm not comfortable with the background, you can change the background to something else. Let's assume we want to use this app's background. We'll simply replace background. And that's about it. That's how to make a hierarchy chart on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you.